Welcome everyone to another video. It's a trade breakdown of gold this time. I'm Raymond Schalke from Fortune Capital Traders and I will talk you through this trade. So here do you see the position. It's a price action position, so I'm not looking for high risk to rewards. I want to get into a trade and get out of a trade. All right. So what I was looking for buys the whole day. I talked about it this morning on this London stream, and I talked about it on the New York Outlook. I was only looking for buys, and the safest zones are already marked. I always do this to assure the people that are going to follow these type of options that are a little bit safer. But I also talked in the Discord group about support to be formed. So I saw this happening. I saw this position on here. Let's just put this one away for a second. It tested this high, right? It made a new resistance because on the 50-minute there's some resistance right here. It moved back and it was slowly getting back down. And what I noticed was that the candles that were coming down was one strong one, and for the rest of the 30-minute it was all weak candles. So what I did was I looked at where can price stop moving down. I was actually looking somewhere around this area that we could form some support, right? Because over there we have our first line of support. It could reject from that, and also in this candle there's a lot of orders, but still I was looking at this area. All right, when I was looking at this, I noticed that we had like not one, not two, but we had 3 weak bearish candles. Yeah, 3 weak bearish candles tells me that there's a little bit of exhaustion of bear pressure, in my opinion. So if I look at the chart, I think it's higher. There's a higher probability that the previous high can be taken and we can push up now, that we can have a bullish move again, because all the late buyers are already stopped out at this moment. So maybe we can continue up now. Again, the market doesn't go up in a run straight away, right? We have waves in that one. Ooh, that looks smooth. But yeah, we have waves in the market. So I was expecting a small pullback. It did that. It didn't come to my target level. So I was also looking at the 50-minute as well. The 50-minute, it was still pushing down pretty hard. But what I noticed is that this one, 50-minute, had like a liquidity wick to the downside. It was the last 15 minutes of the 30-minute candle. And then it closed pretty bullish. It had a rejection around this zone. So what I did was go to the 30-minute and see where it closes. And it closed pretty weakish with a big wick to the downside below this previous lows. So what I thought was it was a little bit of a liquidity grab to move up again. So they picked up all those orders, a lot of buy orders, and now they are continuing to the upside. So what I did was, if the previous high gets broken on a bullish note, right, price should continue to the upside. I was somewhere around here with my SL. Let's put it this way. I did notice that there was some type of resistance to the left, right? And I will mark it up right now. There is some type of resistance right here. And that's why I was like, all right, you know what I do? I still had like a runner from this morning. I entered around here on the lows. That's for another video, but right now, I was just like, let's target a 1-to-1. Yeah, that's the minimum risk to reward that I'm willing to take. So I just aimed for that 1-to-1, took my profits, closed the trade, and I was going on to the next one. And why did I do that? I still have a runner from this morning again. So still in this long impulse move. And also there is a lot of resistance above. We're in pre-New York. We know that New York Open isn't always the greatest to us. So you have lots of fake outs to the top, then to the bottom, highs, lows are getting taken. So I want to be safe and have just a nice 1-to-1 trade, not necessarily to risk more or just leave it and maybe go back into a drawdown or something. I'm just closing the position out and having my second successful trade of the day. So it was a good start of the week, 3% today. Still have a runner left, so it could even be more. That is pretty beautiful. So yeah, and we go on to the next day. I hope you guys learned something from this breakdown video. And if you want to learn how to do this and how to spot those opportunities and take advantage of them, just join the Discord. And for my people in the Discord, if there are any questions, just hit me up. I'm happy to explain myself one more time. All right. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Ciao.